Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event unveiled the Galaxy Watch 6 series consisting of the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic models. The absence of the Pro label raises the question, is the Watch 6 Classic replacing the Watch 5 Pro? Let's compare their features to help you choose the ideal watch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is priced at $450 and is available only in a 45mm case size. The price has not changed much and remains consistent across retailers like Best Buy, Amazon, and Samsung. With the introduction of the Watch 6 series, there might be a chance for a lower MSRP, but since there is no direct successor to the Watch 5 Pro, its price may stay steady for some time. The price gap between the Watch 5 Pro and the Watch 6 Classic is not significant. The least expensive 43mm Watch 6 Classic is priced at $400, while the 47mm version starts at $430. The Classic model is available at regular retailers, and LT versions can be found at your preferred carrier. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro shares a premium design akin to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, but with improved features. It features a titanium case and sapphire crystal display cover, offering a luxurious feel and a lighter weight compared to the Watch 6 Classic's stainless steel case, which provides a traditional weight heft that some may prefer. Plus, unlike the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, the new version has a sapphire crystal display, meaning it's much more durable than just glass. Despite lacking the rotating bezel of the Classic line, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro stands out with its distinct style, premium materials, and a larger battery. It offers unique outdoor sports-themed watch faces and activity tracking functionalities specifically designed for hiking and cycling enthusiasts. Examining the spec sheet, you'll find that the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic comes with a new processor, the Exynos W930, while the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has the W920. The Watch 6 Classic also boasts 2GB RAM compared to the 1.5GB in the Watch 5 Pro, making it slightly faster and more powerful in theory. However, yearly processor upgrades often result in performance bumps that may not be significantly noticeable in the end-user experience, so don't expect major benefits. Regarding software, the Watch 6 Classic comes with the latest Wear OS 4-based One UI 5 watch software upon launch, while the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will receive an update to the new software soon. Samsung commits to providing 4 years of major software updates, meaning the Watch 6 Classic will receive support until 2027, while the Watch 5 Pro's support will end after 2026. Both watches can track various exercises, but the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has additional outdoor features like GPS mapping for cycling and hiking, not for running. While both watches offer commendable fitness tracking, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro falls short as a Garmin-like extreme outdoor activity tracker. If you require such functionality, a specialized fitness tracker might be a better choice. However, the Watch 5 Pro is more advanced in this aspect compared to the Watch 6 Classic, making it the preferred Galaxy watch for adventurous individuals. For those concerned about smartwatch battery life, the Watch 5 Pro offers the largest capacity ever in a Galaxy watch with 590 mAh, lasting about 2 days with continuous wear, falling short of the rated 80-hour life. On the other hand, the Watch 6 Classic has a 300 mAh battery for the 43mm version and 425 mAh for the 47mm model, rated for a maximum of 40 hours with the always-on display off or 30 hours with it on. Generally, the Watch 6 Classic requires charging once every day and a half depending on individual usage patterns. Now, which is right for you? Remarkably, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and Watch 5 Pro cater to distinct niches in the smartwatch market. The Watch 5 Pro excels as a fitness tracker for adventure enthusiasts, while the Watch 6 Classic is ideal for those who appreciate the aesthetics and experience of a traditional watch. Both watches are highly compatible with some of the best Android phones, particularly Galaxy phones. The Watch 6 Classic features a new processor, enhanced RAM, a rotating bezel, and a stainless steel finish that will surely appeal to many. If you've been eagerly awaiting an upgrade from your Watch 4 Classic, this is the watch you've likely been longing to get your hands on. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.